Good evening. Good evening. Let's wait for 4 5 minutes. We'll start again at the session at 5 past 6 to 11. Let's wait. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, we'll start with 43. Till then, you just log in and we'll start with 43. Good evening. Good evening. I just opened my dashboard. I guess already I have done that. Okay. Last time we were doing 43 ones, correct? So let me first check it till where it is going. Okay. Let me repeat it 3 times. So what will happen when I repeat 3 times? Okay. So we was looking this side, left 3 steps, left 1 step, right 1 step, and start going right. So come over here. Left 3 step, okay. But I guess it will use more number of blocks and it will give less chance. Let me check. Left 3 steps, okay. So if we go with 3, left 3, again left 2, left 2, left and right one. Quickly I'll just check what is happening with it. 1 star, I got it. Okay, 1 star. So we can do one thing. Level number 43. What if I do one thing? So instead of using this, yeah, I got an idea. What if we take turn right? Okay, and instead of using this, I use wait 1 second. Wait, what will happen with this? I'm just checking it. Okay. All everything is okay. So we can use wait one. So this is the code I am showing. Okay, but it's not visible side. The code is not visible. Yeah, I also tried using wait, but yeah, right. So you got how much star? Two, one? Yes, because we are using more number of blocks. Correct for that. You are right. You are right. So we can use, I guess, wait, but see what will happen if we use this. Blocks will be more. That's fine. That's for sure. If you go for this, blocks will be more. Correct. And they are saying it needs to be done within. What we're gonna do is we're gonna again, okay, and you can come up with your idea also how we can do it using less. Remember, at least 2 stars we need it. Okay, 1 star, that's not me, we have to do it. So 2 star will try to just check. You can also check right now. I'm also checking how we can get 2 stars. You try your formula and codes. I'm just checking with my. I'll just 2 3 things I'll see and I'll check which one is shorter. Okay. Okay. You guys carry on with your code. I'll just check with the. That's why I left this one yesterday. I knew that there is something missing. We in a hurry. We should not do that. Okay. Your idea is like they one step. Okay. The one step. Take turn right, take two, stay, turn left, take two, stay, turn right. Repeat 4 times. Div 2, div minus, div minus 2, turn left, div step 4. Okay, is it? I'll just see. Okay, let me check. Is it? Sorry, sorry. Somewhere also doing some. Actually, I tried this one code also, but it was not working. Okay, let me see something else. Okay, one step, turn right, then again one step. Now you can move it to. Okay, two turn left. Two turn left. Okay, four. Okay, two over here. Okay, let me check with that. That thing. With this we get two stars. Only the thing is we are using more number of steps. Why we are taking 4 times repeat? What if we take only 2 times repeat? I'm just checking. I'm not doing saying it will be wrong. I'm just checking. Okay, 3 times. Okay, 10 steps or more. Okay, so I guess this one is fine. Left and right, there's step one, and okay, from Siddesh Singh Yadav. Okay, there's step three. They've done right. They move one. They've done repeat two. There's step one. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Siddesh. They've step three. They've done right. They've step three. Repeat 7 times. 7 times repeat means again you will get how much star you got with this code. I guess you would have got two. You would have got only 1 star with this code. The code seems very big. They are using more number of blocks as well as steps. 7 times. Wait, Dave. Instead of saying, instead of doing -2 and 2, can we take one block? I'm just saying, telling, just checking with this. I'm not saying it is right. I'm just checking with this. Oh, oh, number of steps are less. Okay, let me check where what steps. They one step, turn right, step two steps. It should not go over there. They one step, turn right, they two steps, turn left, they two steps. Turn right, move one step. Yeah, this code is fine, but we have to. Okay, he comes over. Let me check where he's going. This code is fine, I guess. One more step we should go, but yeah, I'll come to your doubt. I'm just checking right now. Oh, okay, 4 times. Finally, finally we cracked it with 3 star. I told you we can use weight. Yes. Instead of taking 2 - 2 steps, going forward, backward, just take repeat 4 times and wait. That's fine, perfect. It will give you 3 stars. Those who are trying with lots of blocks, you can try this code. Okay, see how it works. Just wait. Okay, you can put repeat 4 times over there for wait, and you will be able to do that with proper number of steps and proper number of blocks. Okay, everyone who got 2 star, 1 star, and all, and who are not able to do this, you can go with this code. That seems fine. And whenever there will be like this type of code coming, I guess it will be there again. So if it is coming, you can use wait and inside repeat. It will put your number of blocks less. It will take less number of blocks, and lesser the code a block will be, the more star you get. Logic is right. You guys were doing logically right, but steps was increasing. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next one. Any confusion till here for this one? Done? Okay, so let's move into the next one. Same over here. Use weight. This one. I am not gonna do this one. Okay, I'm gonna see who is cracking it with 3 stars or at least 2 stars. Let's not go with 3 star at first. 2 stars, okay, at least, and 3 star would be great. But yeah, Gagan, you can type your issue in the chat. Yeah, you can type it in the chat. What's the issue? And guys, please go for this one. Sir, I got 2 stars. You got 2 stars in this one, which I am showing you right now. 44th one. Sir, I want to. Okay, yeah, go for it. Just remember one thing, that instead of going to somewhere else, you can use repeat you can use wait inside repeat instead of putting forward backward to your sprite. Okay, let's see who gives me the, and please don't type your code to everyone, just type it directly to me. I'll check if you're doing it right. So the code is right. I'll just see, check one. First, try to do the code, complete code. Don't type one by one every code. Then it doesn't, it's not like that. You will type one by one, then your whole code is gone. Someone else is also typing. So first, try to do the code by yourself. See how the code is done. Then type the code, uh, complete code, and then you send me like Adit is doing. Yeah, Adit. Okay, you got 2 stars with this, right, Adit? Okay. I'll just check one thing that they was turning right. One, two, three. What is happening when I go 5? Is all his energy wasted? No. So energy are left. Correct? Okay. So why not doing like this when turn right? Okay, he comes over there. Again turn him right and move him 1 2 steps. What is happening till here? Let me check. We'll use less number of blocks. We'll go for 6. Means you can do it. Let's move it to 3. Yeah, I'm just checking. Guys, I'm not uh, it's not the full code. I'm just checking what is happening to its health because we also don't know what it's about. Yeah, okay. So he can come till here in that hill. Guys, see how small your code will be. Aditya, you also can check with this. How small your code will be to go for with this. All your code will become small with your sentence. Okay, so go with the see what I done with 2 star. I am restarting. Okay, okay. Devna, Vihan, guys, first you try to do the code first yourself. Okay, you see how the code is done, then you type your answer. Don't type one by one every line of code, please. So those who have done with 2 stars, please go with this approach. So this is how you're gonna test it. This is how you're gonna see. See, for me also this level is new. For you also this level is new. Okay, right? So first you're gonna test this if it is work, how it will go. Test with 2 3 blocks. Check what is happening. What is happening to the level. Okay. Then you try to do it by yourself. See, I'm also first checking if how much health is coming. So I aim to this assumption that this sprite can go till here, correct? And then he can come over here and wait. Then he can collect these two also. And we'll be using less number of blocks for this. 2 star, Darsis Chetty, very good. With 3 stars, very good. Sir, my code is, one code is more. Okay. Go for it. Come over here. Right. 1 2 3. Again right. 1 2 3. Let's check this. Now we will wait. Let's let's see how much we get if we put this inside repeat. I'm just checking how much funds we get from that. Only this much? Okay, so we have to take more repeat. Let's go from 4 right now. Okay, this much is fine. So when we go 4, we can turn it towards left or -3, left and 3. Yeah, that would be 3. I'll come to the chat. I'm just checking like -3, left and uh, 3 star. Got this? Okay, only one student has just put in the chat, sir. I got 3 star. Was okay. Aditya also did this 5 times. Okay, you can go for 4 times also, Aditya. Aditya also got 3 stars. Very good. You can put instead of 5, Aditya, you can put 4 also inside repeat. It will be fine. Okay, but very good. Sir Dave, turn right 6, turn right 3, 3 again, turn right. Step 3, repeat 4 times, wait. Yes, you are right. After 4 times wait, you can go for. I also did this. I got get 3 star. Very good. Sir, I'm not in this level. How do I get to this level? Try to do all those levels one by one. Complete all the levels. Then we'll come to this level 43 and all. Okay. Those who got 3 stars, very good. Great. So this is how you gonna do these type of levels. Okay. Sir, I got 3 star. Very good. So can we move to the next one? No confusion in this. I guess next one is also like this one. These levels are this one. Okay, let's move to the next one. One thing more. Those who did for 5 times, how you got 3 star? I just need to check because it will increase 1 star. Okay, they are giving you 10 star with 5 star with that also. Great, but I'll suggest go for 4. 4 is enough. What about 3? Is it happening in 3? I'm just checking. Okay, I guess it is. It's not. It will not happen. Yes, in 3 also you can go check. So no need to take 5 or 4. Just take 3. That's fine. Adesh Surya. Sir, I got 2 star. Please go with this code which I showed you. Please go with this code. You'll get 3 stars. You use less number of blocks. Correct? Okay. Let's move to the next one, guys. Now. This code seems interesting. Sir, I got 3 stars. Okay, very good. Quite interesting. Very good, dude. You got 3 stars. Very good. No one will type one by one every code. First, try to do check with yours. Okay, then you try to go. Don't type behind one by one every code behind. First, try to complete your code. Check if it is fine. You are able to collect all the items and you got more than 1 star means 2 or 3 star. Then it's fine. Then you can type your code. Please don't type one by one. It becomes like someone else is also typing, so your correct code is getting lost in between. So I'm not able to read it. First try to do it. Uh, okay, you are saying like this, and just whatever you're saying, I'm just okay. The thing is saying potato says okay, very good. Repeat 5 times, okay. This step A, okay, 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 try to do the whole code and then you see what is happening. So just first try to do whole code, okay, then you try to do it. Tell me. First try to do the whole code. Okay, so I guess is Kagan, yeah. First try to do. Otherwise it will be confusion for you. Check and then you do. If you are doing it very You are saying inside which is 2. Okay. Okay. So you are saying they turn right inside 2. And then change it by -1. Okay. Change it by -1. Like that. Okay, let me check. No. Okay, -1. Sorry. Okay. No. -38 to 3. Okay. That's what? No. Okay. Very good, Anand. Okay, got 2 stars. Very good, sir. Okay. After this step A, then step 4 to then step 3. After then step A, then step 4 to then step 3. Okay. Your code seems you have not first checked your code. It seems quite the logic is not correct with this code. It's better you go with some other logic. Got it? So it's better you go with some other logic. Okay. So every time you say one thing and after that it moves one more step, means one more time, and then again there is a stop. Now, okay. They've done right. Repeat to end and a by -1. That 8 to 6. Repeat 5 times. That 8 to 6. Repeat 5 times. Okay, repeat 5 times. We check this code. Child, then step A, turn right, then step C, then turn right, then step A. I don't think so this will work. And how you are saying that after this it moves 6 steps, turn right, how he will go 4 steps again. He will only go three. One, two, and three. Four he can't move. No, this is not right. The code which you have sent, Gagan, code is not correct. Because after turning right 6 steps, he needs to move 3 steps, not four. We are taking 4 steps. It is wrong. Okay. So now let me try with my logic. Okay. Here's step 6, the moving 6, turn right, move 3, till here he comes. Again turn right, move 4. Again turn right, move 4. First let me crash at this. Then 1, 2, 3, minus 3. Okay, turn left. 3, left, turn left, 1, 2, 3, turn right. 1, 2, 3, turn right, move 1 step, move 1 step, turn left, step, turn left, move 3 step, turn right, move 3 steps, turn right. Okay. Here we move 3 steps and turn right, move 3 steps, turn right, again move 3 steps, move minus 3 steps, minus 2 steps, minus 2, again turn left. I will come to your messages just a second. Minus 2, turn left, 3, turn right 1, turn left 3, turn right 2, turn left 3, turn right. Now let me check if something is repeating or not. Turn right. Let me put it as 2 right now. What are your messages? Step A27, B25, repeat 2 daily. Yes, sir, I'm little bit sure on my code because my site is not working. Okay, who's this? Laksha Badal. Okay, reverse. Set 8 to 7. But B to 5, repeat to Dale step 3 minus 1 turn right. Okay, okay. Check it and then let me know. Now I'm gonna check with B where from where to where it is repeating. Minus 3 turn left, 3 turn right. Okay, from here it does not repeat. Turn left 3. Okay. No. Number of blocks are less or logic is 10. Means somewhere all one, so this is not used. Suppose this will not be used. So but I got two stars. I got two, but 3 star you are shown. Very good, sir. It is okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Fine. So this much we can do it. Okay, this much is good. But the thing is, six steps more we are having. Number of steps is less. It would have 75. We are taking 50, but it should have 10. That's why it is taking, but it's showing 16. Okay, I got 2 star. Okay, very good. We'll see. You guys just do this one and see if any other logic you put. Today we'll keep till this level. Okay, because I have another just meeting at 7. Important. So today I'll keep till here. And one more thing, I just forgot to tell you, those who are here in this session, tomorrow I will be on leave. Okay, I have an important work to do, so I won't be there tomorrow. So I guess tomorrow's session will be cancelled. I'm not sure about it. Okay, so what you guys can do is, I'm sure that tomorrow I'm not there. Okay, this you be sure because I'll be on leave. So what you guys can do is you guys can log in at 6 and wait for 5 minutes. If by 6, 5 past 6, no one enters, let you in the meeting, you just think that the meeting tomorrow class is not there. Everyone just got that point. Give a thumbs up with your on your video. So you got that. Tomorrow I will be on leave. Okay, I will be on leave. Just listen carefully. So your class is little bit I am also not sure about it with this session, tomorrow session. So if I would have not gone for leave, I would have completed all the labels till 50 tomorrow. But please repeat the point. Okay. So I was saying tomorrow I will be on leave. So you guys, if you want to see if the class is there or not, just log in. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay. If within 5 minutes you are not entered in the classroom and not entered in this meeting, means session is not there tomorrow. No one is there to conduct the session, and you have it directly on Tuesday. We'll complete it on Tuesday. Okay. So please don't get panic. Please don't call. Okay, I will be out and I won't be able to attend call also tomorrow. I'll be in some function. So please don't do that. Just check it, and if it is not happening, you can leave. Okay, and we'll meet on Tuesday. So I'm sure that I will be not there tomorrow. Okay, that's for sure. So please do not call. I'll be somewhere out. Okay, I'm just so that's why I inform every one of you today. If class is not happening, you just practice by yourself. Okay, someone is giving 3 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. Okay, very good. So we keep till here till then. Okay. So I have an important meeting at 7. So I'll just leave. But you guys keep on practicing till 45 we have done. Okay. So rest we're gonna do complete it on the rest 5 we'll complete on Tuesday for sure. Till then, take care. Bye bye everyone. Stay safe. Bye bye. Okay. Bye bye children. Bye.